Alright you guys, so I'm here at Walmart right now and they have some pretty decent stuff here. It looks very promising, so we'll see what we can get into. I know I found like 2 things here so far. So far what I did grab was this happy birthday pink sign that they have, and then I grabbed some of these bags right here because I got her some gifts off of Amazon, and then I got some tissue paper that's pink as well. And then I have a light pink one too, because those are her colors. So here at Walmart, they have the value pack. So I got 2 of the light pink, and then let me see what else. Okay, I'm gonna just get one. 97 cents. Got the light pink color, and then when I went to Whole Foods, I almost died when I saw this cake. I was like, oh, that's the cake right there. So I asked the gentleman if he could please make the cake the colors of Emry's birthday party. Alright you guys, so this is the aftermath of what we got from just doing DIY. I went to Michael's, I went to Joann's, I went to Walmart, I went to Party City, and I went to Office Depot to print out these lovely these lovely DIY decorations. So these will be the cake toppers for Emry, custom made by mommy, and these are the glass fish jar bowls, similar to that. And these are the thank you Elmo cards. But I have the little tattoo stickers that the kids can put on them with some crayons and some goldfish that I have behind here. What else? And then I also have the candies. I'm gonna do like an Elmo theme, so I bought the white. Candy melt. Some of these I'm gonna use for the eyes, and then some I'm gonna use for decorating other things. The orange is specifically for the nose. And we got these edible black markers. So let me see if I can get it to focus. We got these edible black markers right here, food coloring. And then we got the red for the main part of the Oreo cookies. And I also am gonna dip some pretzels, and what else am I gonna do? Dip some apples too. So yeah, we got the thin Oreos just because they look more pleasing on the eye to me. So we will see what we will get into. Oh yeah, and we're doing a Emry loves pasta, so we're gonna do Alfredo pasta. We're gonna do a vegan version as well as a non-vegan version, and garlic bread as well. So yeah, real simple, swanky. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, and this is the party stuff, pink and light pink. Walmart had a way better deal than Party City, so Walmart's was like $2 and some change, and you get a pack of 3, and what do you call it? Party City was $1 each. and I used a coupon. And I found this at Walmart. It says happy birthday. And I also found this gift bag with a gift tissue there. I thought these two right here match like spot on. And then when I went to what's that place, Michael's, I found this paper right here, and that matches with this. So yeah, I'm excited to see how everything turns out. And then I bought this acrylic paint. This was from a previous birthday, so I'm just gonna paint on the stencils, and that's the stencils right there as far as the spelling. And then these are the toppers, so I'm gonna cut these out and place them just like you saw in the digital image. And here's the number 2 that I'm gonna put on there, and the centerpiece for the photo board. So let's get into it. So first off, let me just say I tried recording everything and my phone ran out of memory, so I'm using what I have. I don't have like any special Canon camera or special lens or anything. I just use my phone to record everything. So I just got as much as I could in terms of recording what I could. So yeah, so I cut out the foam board, and right now I'm just cutting out the paper to do the border, and then I'm taping it onto the board. And I just trace out, you know, each section of the board and then just tape it as I go. So here you'll see the rose gold number 2. I got the image from a balloon purchase that I made, and I just cut around it and taped it to the foam board. And next I'm going to place these little Elmo pictures on each corner, just however it looks nice. I also be using some of these for centerpieces. So yeah, just like I did the border and the number 2, I'm going to do the same thing and just tape it to the border of the foam board. And next I'm going to cut a smaller section for the border of the light pink rather, and just tape it down in the center of the hot pink.
She laughed. She said so. Doesn't sound like she said.
And this is the aftermath after completing each section of cutting. And next I'm going to do the thank you goodie bags. I'm going to cut out these DIY digital thank you cards that I made from scratch. If you want to know how I made all these items, leave a comment below. Anyway, so I'm going to cut out the border and place these little thank you cards in the clear plastic bag, I guess, rather. It's like a little cute bag. It's nothing special, but I mean, it's gonna become special. Anyway, I got the little thank you bags from Dollar Tree. It was like $1 for 25 of them. And I'm gonna put some goldfish in there and some crayons, as well as a Elmo tattoo. I got the Elmo tattoos from Party City. I think it was like 99 cents for 2 of them. And this right here is the clear bags that I'm going to use for the thank you bags. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is me cutting out the And so this is what the thank you bags look like. And next I'm going to do the food labels that I made. I printed out the food labels on cardstock, but they didn't have a backing to enable them to stand up. So what I did was recycle the back of the tattoo thank you little stickers that I got for the kids, and I recycled it. It had a little cardboard piece of paper, so I was like, I can reuse this. So like I said, I just went on ahead and cut it out, folded it, and then taped it to the back of the cardboard, not cardboard, but cardstock labels for the food. And it was pretty simple, very easy. And this is me just cutting out the Elmo picture that I made. These are the bigger 8.5 by 11 images that I made, and I'm going to use these for the backdrop for the photo board for taking pictures. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be for her little banner. Say good morning, birthday girl. So we have these. These are going to be the little toppers that I still need to cut out. Let me move this out of the way. At this point, I've realized that this video is extremely long. Thank you guys that stayed during the course of this video to watch my DIY video. If you would like to see how I made additional items like these Elmo cookies and Elmo apples and whatnot, and you want to see a vlog of Emry's birthday, be sure to comment below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. And also follow me on other social media platforms.